In this video, I'm going to show you how you can accept Bitcoin Cash donations on your Wix website using this widget here. Or maybe you just want a Bitcoin Cash donation button where people can click and then donate here. I'll show you how you can do that in this video. Now the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the link in the description. It's going to bring you over to Now Payments, and this is going to be the website that we're using to process our Bitcoin Cash donations. So we can start accepting crypto payments now. Now we can get this all set up here within 5 minutes. What you want to do is you want to first make an account. It's going to take you 30 seconds, so I'm not going to run you through that. So go make your account and then you can sign in. Now once you've signed into your account, it's very simple. It's a really simple interface. You'll be on the dashboard and you want to go to store settings. So go ahead and go to your store. Then you need to go and generate an API key. So go ahead and click add new key if you haven't got one already. Once you've got your key, and by the way, the key is going to generate in literally 10 seconds. Once you've got your key, scroll down here and you need to go and add your Bitcoin Cash wallet. So I've got a wallet here added already, but you will go add another wallet and you can see people can donate in all of these different cryptocurrencies. Just go ahead and find Bitcoin Cash and then you can go and add it. Don't forget to save it as well once you've added your wallet. You can then change the base currency depending on where most of your website traffic is coming from. And once you've done that, you can then scroll up and copy your API key. So now we've done that and we've got it copied. Go to the Now Payments home website, then go to Our Products and Accept Donations. And here you can choose whether you want a donation widget, which is pretty good, or you can have a donate button, which will link to the donation widget. So it's completely up to you. For the video, I'm just going to get the button. So I'm going to go generate buttons, and then you would scroll down to that widget and paste in your API key. Once you've done that, go ahead and choose your button style and then copy the code. So now we've copied the code to this button. We can now go to Wix. So let me just go back to the editor. And now what you need to do, you need to go ahead and add here. And we're going to add some HTML code. So go add, then go embed, and then embed a widget so we can embed HTML code. You can then enter the code here. So let me paste it in, then go to update, and now you have your widget. You can just stretch this out here, and now we have our donate widget, which people can then click on and then donate Bitcoin Cash to us. So I hope that video did help you out. Make sure you leave a like, and I'll see you all in the next one.